Have you ever arrived at a campsite ready to relax, only to realize your table is wobbling, too small, or a pain to set up? For a lot of campers, tailgaters, and backyard barbecue enthusiasts, that little frustration can quickly turn a fun outing into an annoying experience. That's exactly why lightweight portable camping tables have become so popular lately. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Byliable Camping Table Folding Portable Camp aluminum roll-up table to see whether it's actually worth bringing on your next outdoor adventure. The Byliable Camping Table is designed for campers, picnickers, RV travelers, and anyone who needs a reliable portable surface outdoors. What immediately stands out is its combination of portability and adjustability. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the table has a clean, practical design that feels built for real outdoor use rather than just looking good in product photos. The black aluminum finish gives it a modern appearance, while the roll-up tabletop design helps keep the overall package compact when stored. Once assembled, it feels surprisingly sturdy for something that weighs only around 9 pounds. The aluminum construction not only keeps the weight down, but also helps resist rust, moisture, and general outdoor wear. That's important because camping gear tends to get tossed into vehicles, exposed to rain, and used on rough terrain. The materials here feel capable of handling that kind of treatment without constantly making you worry about damage. One feature that deserves attention is the individually adjustable legs. Anyone who has camped on uneven ground knows how frustrating a shaky table can be. Instead of balancing cups and plates on a tilted surface, you can quickly adjust each leg to level the tabletop. The adjustment process is straightforward and doesn't require tools, which makes setup much less stressful when you're trying to get camp organized quickly. In everyday use, this table does exactly what most people need it to do. Setup is fast, and the folding design means you won't spend 10 minutes wrestling with complicated parts. Whether you're preparing food, holding camping gear, playing cards, or setting up a portable grill station, the table provides a stable work surface. The lightweight design also makes it easy to move around the campsite as your needs change throughout the day. Another area where this table performs well is maintenance. Since the aluminum surface is waterproof and corrosion resistant, cleanup is simple. A quick wipe with a cloth is usually enough to remove dirt, food spills, or dust. That's a small detail, but after a long day outdoors, easy cleanup becomes something you genuinely appreciate. Of course, no product is perfect. One of the biggest advantages is portability. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to transport with the included carry bag. The adjustable legs are also a major benefit that many competing tables in this price range don't offer. On the downside, if you're looking for an extra large table capable of supporting heavy-duty cooking setups for large groups, you may find the surface area somewhat limiting. It's best suited for small to medium gatherings rather than serving as a massive outdoor workstation. Compared to many basic folding camping tables in a similar price range, the Byliable model stands out because of its height, adjustable legs, and uneven ground adaptability. Many competing tables offer portability, but not all provide the same level of stability on rough terrain. That added versatility gives it a practical edge for campers who frequently visit less developed campsites. Overall, the Byliable Camping Table is a smart choice for campers, picnickers, backyard entertainers, and outdoor enthusiasts who want a lightweight, durable, and easy-to-use portable table. It solves the common problems of bulky transportation, unstable surfaces, and difficult setup without adding unnecessary complexity. If those are challenges you've dealt with before, this table is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and check out the link in the description to learn more about the Byliable Camping Table before your next outdoor adventure.